Hey guys, John here with Gray Duck Dent Repair of Minnesota. Today we have a Chevy Cruze with a big crunch in the right front fender. Goes through the body line here, some paint transfer on there. So we're going to get to work on this and we'll show you how she turns out when it's done. So what we got here is the glue pulling method. We take a specialized glue tab, a specialized formulated glue for paintless dent repair. Apply it to the car, right on the center of the dent here. And we have a variety of different options for what we can use to take these tabs off. This is called a slide hammer. This is called a mini lifter. This is just a hand puller, a little more control. Our releasing agent here. Got that far out as we're going to for now. Alright, so we got the meat of that dent up. There's going to be a lot of touch-up work to do from here. So I'll let you watch that in hyper speed. So there we go.
Well, as you can see, this repair turned out very nicely. The customer was super happy. So if you have door dings, hail damage, or big dents, do give Gray Duck Dent Repair of Minnesota a call at 651-492-DENT. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.